I'm the Organized Mama, and today we are going to focus on how to organize a laundry room. Specifically, how to organize small laundry rooms or laundry spaces. I know a lot of people have washer and dryer in a closet, and all of these principles apply to those type of spaces as well. So this is our laundry room. Ta-da! It looks like a total disaster. So last year we finished renovation on our kitchen, and this room took a big hit. We ended up getting, they had to dig out some storage or some space underneath. We got pipes, and this room turned into a total disaster. I kept telling myself I'll get to it, and it's been over a year later. Here I am with a really messy and not 100% functional space. So today I'm going to break down all the steps that I use for clients along with myself to organize a laundry room that might be small. So we're going to start by removing everything and then sorting everything that is in your laundry space, only keeping essentials in the laundry area, and everything else we'll talk about functional and appropriate storage for those items. For us in this laundry space, this baker's rack is kind of the only storage we have right now. I do have a little shelf, but that's just where I keep detergent. So everything else for this laundry space will be stored. First thing I'm going to do is put away the detergent, the sprays, and everything else that I need to do laundry. I'm going to put that here by the washer and dryer. That is the first thing I say, and I always do put away, is those essentials, and that is everything you use to wash and dry clothes. Keep them near the washer and dryer. So I put the detergent and the spray cleaners and everything I need for the washer and dryer near the washer and dryer. So I'm going to use this shelving unit to store some of the other things we have. If you have shelves above your washer and dryer, the same idea applies. Use bins that are the size of the item you have and keep only the essentials. So for us, we have towels and rags that we keep down here along with some cleaning supplies. So on the bottom, I have paint and some extra cleaning supplies along with under the sink. I also am going to use these bins to hold towels and rags that we use to clean up or wash the car or any of those type of things. Another thing that I do with small laundry rooms or small spaces anywhere is to remove things from their packages and put them in a container that's a lot smaller. This was an old vase that now holds a whole bag of clothespins. The footprint on this is so much smaller than it was in the bag, and the bag was really awkward to store. This can easily sit on the shelf. I'm just going to keep using some old vases that I don't really use to store extra things. I'm also going to use one to kind of collect coins or buttons. I'm going to add a little mini sewing kit along with some scissors. My favorite part of any organizing project is adding labels. I love adding labels because it adds a fun touch of handmade to any project that I do. So for my laundry room, I used vinyl labels on glass or plastic vases that I wasn't using frequently, so they're going in here so that they can be used every day, because I do end up doing laundry pretty much every day. So using what I have, not buying anything new, and creating labels for all of my Another thing I like to do in small spaces like laundry rooms is utilize wall space and go up. A lot of small laundry rooms have a lot of space going up, or they have a lot of random wall space. We added a hook with anchors, because last time we didn't and it all fell down, to hang drying racks. Now, if I didn't have this space, could easily move the washing machine over a little bit, and then this could be stored right next to the washing machine. And I don't have anything on the floor, but I still have access to my drying rack. It's just in a different spot. So when you are looking to organize small laundry spaces, look at the walls and go up. Those are my two biggest pieces of advice for this. Get creative with how you store things in small laundry rooms. For us, using this space, it's a duct, we added just 3M hooks because you can't nail into it. So we added 3M hooks and spaced them apart for hangers. This is an easy fix to add some extra drying space in a small laundry room.